Today is January 15th, 2021. You are looking at the Omaha, Nebraska blizzard. It's hard to see too much on the camera, although there's just snow blowing everywhere. There's front end loaders out here just making mounds. And the snow, you can see that one driving over there. Just going around. I'll take you over and you can see how big these mounds are. I'm just in the parking lot. We're just going a couple miles an hour. So here's one. Shows you how big that is. Here's another one. They're all over the place. So this is Omaha, Nebraska. This just blew in overnight.